Are you a factory worker, a blue collar worker of any sort, administrative specialist, white collar worker, accountant, data entry? All these type of jobs can be upended and replaced by AI robots. Now, don't take my opinion on it. This was said in the World Economic Forum from Dr. Doom, Dr. Rubio. Let's jump right in and take a look at what he said to the world about how AI robots will take our jobs. This is the article, and I'll link this article in the description below. I won't read it for word, but humanoid robots may upend the economy, warns Nouriel Dr. Doom Rubini. Apparently he's a famous dude. Artificial intelligence talks raging along the promenade in Davos for the World Economic Forum. Dr. Doom is sounding the alarm bells of humanoid robots. The big breakthrough right now is the evolution of humanoid robots that essentially follow individual workers on the factory, construction site, even a chef in a restaurant or a housekeeper. It's terrifying, but it's happening literally in the next year or two. Restaurant, factory, accountant, are these your type of jobs? So imagine a robot is following you around, looking at everything that you do, right? You're typing in, you're doing your budgets, your spreadsheets, whatever, or you're in the factory, or you're a chef, you're doing cooks, or you're a server, right? How many of you are servers? You're going to be replaced by Rosie the robot, right? You've already seen it happening in some restaurants where the robot cart comes and it says, hello, here's the food for you, right? Whatever. So this is coming, and Dr. Rubio, he says it's coming fast. How fast do you think? No. In the next year or two. So we don't have much time to prepare, so we must prepare now, right? Let's keep going. It's terrifying, but it's happening in literally next year or two, Nouriel said on Finance's Open Bid podcast, okay? Who's this guy? Rubio, known as Dr. Doom for his bleak economic forecast that human jobs will be lost to humanoids. Instead, LLM, large language models, learn about everything in the world. The entire internet follows your job or my job or anyone else's job in a few months, then learns everything that a construction worker, factory worker, or any other service worker can do, and then replaces them. There will be a revolution. It's going to affect blue-collar jobs like we've ever seen before. Now, this guy's talking about blue-collar jobs, but I can see my job being replaced, white-collar jobs as well, like we talked about earlier, right? Accountants. So let's use some of this AI to our advantage, and let's ask AI, what are the jobs that could be affected? I asked ChatGPT, please list the types of jobs that may be replaced by AI robots. Robots can potentially automate various tasks across any industries: repetitive, routine tasks, data entry, assembly line, manufacturing, any kind of manufacturing job. Are you working making cars, making, whatever? Telemarketers, they're going to replace you with AI voice, right? Warehouse workers, Amazon Robotics is already doing it, right? Cashiers, who needs you, right? Customer service, call center, help desk, retail customer service associates. Truck drivers, do you drive a truck? Taxis, Uber, get ready to be replaced by, Tesla's robot cars. Deliveries, drones, delivery robots, come on, man. Administrative assistants, receptionists, scheduling coordinators, automated checkout system, retail assistants, fast food workers, even the fast food guys won't have jobs. Hotel staff, it goes on and on and on and on and on. Do a search yourself in ChatGPT on, I'll give you the prompt on please list the types of jobs that may be replaced by AI robots, and there you go, right? So the doom and gloom seems real, right? It'll affect us all in some fashion, so we've got to get on the forefront of it and try to figure out what this thing is, right? And I've done another video on this, and I've gave you a resource on the Google AI course that they're doing. It's cheap. It's like 20, 30 bucks. I can't remember, 50, whatever it is. And I'll leave a link up here to that video. but it's probably a good idea for us to understand kind of what it is and how it can affect us. And the course, I don't get any money off it. The course gives you a breakdown, and I did it on the video, so I won't do it here. But another thing that you can look at that I've been doing myself is looking at video generation. I've done a video on not safe for work video creation and stuff like that. I'll leave a link up. I'll leave a link up here too. So any type of text to images, that kind of thing, prompt engineering, that kind of thing. I've been playing around with that, trying to get a flow of that. So I asked, ChatGPT, hey, what can I, here, I'll show you. So I asked ChatGPT, so I've been playing around with the image creation software, right? I asked it, what kind of businesses can I use AI image creation software? And it says, hey, you can do a wide range of business opportunities across various industries. Here's some ideas. Content creation, social media management, right? Eye-catching visuals. If you don't want to do social media, you can make these eye-catching visuals for posts and ads and stories to content creators who's not on top of this AI stuff. Blog illustration, same thing. Advertising agencies, right? There's a bunch of advertising agencies about AI out there. Take a look at those. E-commerce, product mock-ups, gaming and entertainment. You can create characters. I'll show you how to create. I'll show you how to create a character out of thin air. Concept art for movies, NFTs. Not into that. Real estate, education, and training. You can produce infographics, illustrations for e-learning platforms, art and creative services. You can provide personalized digital art for clients, fashion and beauty, generate patterns, concepts, right? Branding and identity, create some logos for companies, right? Brand assets, reach out. Events and entertainment, publishing for magazines, create visuals, children's books, technology and apps. You can create visual aspects for apps or websites. Custom AI solutions, AI as a service. Offer AI, here we go, offer AI image generation to other businesses or individuals via subscriptions, right? API integration, all this kind of stuff. Identify a niche. So here's your startup tips. Identify a niche where AI-generated images solves a problem or value, which we just saw up there. Build a portfolio. Okay, build you some images, right? Build you some images capable of AI tools. And I will show you, stick to the end, I'll show you what I've been playing with. Use platforms, start like social media marketplace or your own website to market your services, okay? So if you don't have a website, I'll leave a link in the description below on the best, easiest, cheapest way to create a WordPress website. But let me show you what I've been messing with on the text to image generator. And I'll leave a link in the description below. Now this software is the cheapest, most inexpensive, most effective software that I've had. It'll cost you like, 30, 50 bucks lifetime, right? Lifetime, 50, 60, whatever it is. It's pretty cheap compared to all the other subscription models. I don't want to deal with, every month getting charged and all that stuff. So I've dug around on the internet. I've found this one. It's one-time charge, boom, and I bought this myself, so I'm not talking out my butt, and and I'll show you right here. So this software, I'll leave a link in the description below. Use my link, get the best deals. Yes, I get a commission off it, but it doesn't cost any more than what you would pay anyways. So it's a great way. So it's a great way to support the channel, right? So prompt engineering is very important. This software is called ArtSpace. So what it is an AI image generator, turns text to images in seconds. Here's a couple of examples that I've created, right? Here's the prompt that I use. Use that. You can create other type of images. Now, the good thing about this is you can use the different models, right? The different AI models like the Nova. This one was done with the Photorealism 2024. You can do Dream Studios if you're doing anime. You can use Anime Alchemist, that type of thing. So there's a lot of models, AI models, not these kind of models, but AI models that you can create to create these type of models. Now this is a model of a person that's made from thin air, right? This person does not exist, right? So a lot of people are doing this, putting it on like Instagram. And if you haven't seen one of the made-up models, what's her name? She has actually got deals from like Nike and stuff. So you can create AI models like that. Here's one that I've shown. Now, you need to understand how to use the prompt. And sometimes the prompt obviously doesn't work properly. So, obviously I need to understand prompts better. You can use negative prompts, but, American Girl, red hair, got the red hair right, holding a seashell. None of these pictures hold a seashell, so there's something that I'm not doing correctly, right? Uh, red hair's right. Girl is wearing an American flag bikini, so this one wasn't exactly correct. This one is kind of correct. This one is kind of correct. And I didn't ask for two, I asked for one, so some of the pictures. But the good thing about it is you can go over and over with this particular software. It doesn't count credits. You don't have to worry about all the limitations and stuff. This just does what you ask for without worrying about limitations and stuff. So you can practice your prompt creation. I'll do that right now. I will use, for this next one, this Anime Alchemist model right here. And I will say a fire-breathing dragon sitting on top of a mountain with fire coming out of his mouth. Click the thing, and it's faster than a lot of other softwares as well. All right. So there's the anime one. What do you think about that one? That's pretty good. Anime Alchemist. Now, let's use a different model. Let's use the Flux. Well, let's use the Flux. Same prompt. Yeah, there you go. So the Nova Flux created more of what I was thinking of that. So, I mean, this isn't an in-depth tutorial on how to create, images and stuff, but that's just an idea based on the search result that I did on ChatGPT, asking what can I do using these type of software to be able to get ahead of the AI revolution that's fixing to smack us across the face, right? So I'll leave all those links in the description below. Do what you got to do. At least learn a little bit about it. And I would suggest at least learning a little bit about AI, what's coming, and how it's affecting you. So leave me a like if you like this kind of stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell to get all these videos. And thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys. And always, I wish you much success in your finances and in life. Peace out. Thanks.